In the heart of an Indian forest, I once encountered a tiny bird that had fallen from its nest. With utmost care, I lifted it gently with my trunk and returned it to safety. Little did I know, that small act of kindness would come back to me in a big way. One stormy day, I felt a rush of wind and saw a branch about to crash down on me. Out of nowhere, that little bird swooped in, chirping loudly to warn me just in time. It struck me then, kindness, no matter how small, can forge the strongest friendships. You never know when a simple gesture will lead to unexpected help.